Hello students, this is Binit from PRATHAM. So in the last video we saw that when there are three quantities given, right, how to find the common ratios. Right? So we basically just in order to just recap, A is to B was given 2 is to 3, B is to C was given 4 is to 5, and we were interested in knowing how to find A is to B is to C, and we were able to find it, right? A is to B as to C as 3, 8 is to 12 is to 15. So that is how we found in the last video. Now in this video we'll see that what if there are four quantities A, B, C, D, all the four quantities are given. For example, the question is if A is to B is nothing but 2 is to 3, B is to C is 4 is to 5, and C is to D is 3 is to 2. Then the question is, then what will be A is to B is to C is to D? This will be equal to what? Right? Now we have four quantities over here. Earlier we had three quantities. The approach is very simple and it's the most fundamental approach, right? So we are interested in knowing actually what is A is to B is to C is to D. The same approach will apply over here. We know very well from the last last video that A is to B is to C was how much? 8 is to 12 is to 15. That we know, right, from the last video. We arrived at. Now A is to B is to C is given. We have already find it out. Now here comes C is to D. That is how much? 3 is to 2. Now we are interested in finding this one. The same approach goes in this case as well. Here there are three quantities. Here we have two quantities. Which is the common quantity over here? So we can see that common quantity is actually C. Here what is the value of C? 15. Here what is the value of C? 3. So C here is 15 and C here is 3. When the quantity is common, the value also has to be common, as we discussed in the last class. Now here the value is 15, here the value is 3. And how do we make the value common? We already discussed that in order to make the value common, we use the LCM. So what is the LCM of 15 and 3? As we know, 15 is the bigger quantity and it's a multiple of 3. So that clearly means 15 and 3, the LCM is 15 itself. Right? So this is already 15, no need to make this 15. But yeah, we need to make this 15. So how do we make this 15? So how to make this 15? We have to multiply this by 5. And just in order to remind you once again, only this will not be just multiplied by 5. This entire expression has to be multiplied by 5. So basically this we multiplied by 5. Here no multiplication is required. Why? Because already we know that LCM of 15 and 3 is 15, and here 15 already is there. So you don't need to multiply anything. So this becomes how much? This is already 8 is to 12 is to 15, and this becomes how much? 15 is to 10. Now we get the value common. Here also C is 15, here also C is 15. So we can directly write A is to B is to C is to D is nothing but 8 is to 12 is to 15 is to 10. So this is how we solve when the common ratios when the four variables are actually included. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video.